Nearly 90% of drivers are quietly throwing money away on car cleaning and repairs that simple household items could prevent. One of these tricks alone can stop expensive wiper replacements, another protects your paint from turning into a rust nightmare, and several will make your car look years newer without spending a dime at the detail shop. If you're tired of paying premium prices for basic results, stick around. I'm breaking down 15 game-changing car hacks using stuff you already have at home or can grab for pennies. These aren't gimmicks, they're real mechanic-approved techniques that deliver professional-level results. Hack number 15, Vaseline on car wiper blades. Your wipers are streaking, chattering, and smearing across the glass even after a fresh rain. The shop wants $50.70 for a new set, but most of the time the blades aren't actually worn out. Here, the fix they don't advertise. Grab a small dab of plain petroleum jelly on a clean rag and run it smoothly along the entire rubber edge of each blade. Work it in evenly so the whole contact surface gets a thin coating. The jelly soaks into the dried-out rubber, bringing back its flexibility and creating that perfect glide on your windshield. Run the wipers for a full cycle and you'll immediately hear and see the difference, no more skipping or squeaking. A single jar costs about $4 and lasts for dozens of treatments. Here, what most people miss: wiper failure is usually a flexibility and conditioning issue, not total wear. Hack number 14, isopropyl alcohol on side mirrors. Those side mirrors look hazy and filmed no matter how many times you hit them with glass cleaner. Road grime, wax residue, and oily buildup create a stubborn layer that ordinary cleaners just smear around. Take 70% or 90% isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth and wipe the mirrors in firm, overlapping passes. The alcohol instantly dissolves the silicone, oil, and mineral film that water-based cleaners can't touch. Buff it dry with a second clean cloth and you'll get crystal clear glass with zero streaks. A bottle runs $2 or $3 at any pharmacy and lasts forever for mirrors, windows, and interior glass. The hidden truth? That haze isn't just dirt, it's layered contamination that standard cleaners were never designed to break down. After the alcohol treatment, add a quick layer of Rain-X or even plain shaving cream. Hack number 13, lemon on car tail lights. Your tail lights have turned dull, yellow, and cloudy from years of sun exposure, making the whole rear end look tired and older than it is. Detailers charge $80-150 to restore them, but you can do it better for pennies. Cut a fresh lemon in half and rub the cut side vigorously over each lens in circular motions for a couple of minutes per light. The natural citric acid gently eats away at the oxidized layer on the plastic, lifting it off exactly like professional restoration kits do. Rinse with water and buff dry. You'll be shocked how bright and deep the red shines again. One lemon costs less than $1. UV damage on plastic is a chemical process. Hack number 12, dental swabs on car interior. From a distance, your interior looks okay, but zoom in and every vent, button, seam, and crevice is loaded with dust and grime that rags can't reach. Detailers spend serious time on this during full services. Dip cotton dental swabs in a little isopropyl alcohol or all-purpose cleaner and methodically work them through every vent slat, around every knob, and into every tight gap in your console. Rotate the swab as it picks up dirt. A pack costs around $2 and gives you precision access that makes the whole cabin feel brand new. Pro tip most people skip: after the cleaning pass, go back through with dry swabs to lift any loosened particles before they get blown back into the air when you turn on the AC. Hack number 11, silicone spray to polish car. Faded, chalky plastic trim, rubber seals, and bumpers can make even a well-maintained car look neglected. Shops charge $30.60 for trim restoration, but you don't need their fancy bottles. Lightly spray silicone spray onto a microfiber cloth and wipe it evenly over all your exterior plastic, rubber moldings, and bumpers. It penetrates the microscopic cracks caused by UV damage and brings back a deep, uniform shine. Buff off any excess so it looks conditioned, not greasy. A can costs $5 or $6 and treats your whole vehicle multiple times. The inside secret? Almost every commercial trim restorer is basically silicone in a more expensive bottle with better marketing. Bonus benefit: It also lubricates your door seals, cutting wind noise and preventing them from cracking or sticking. Hack number 10, cornstarch on car windows. That greasy haze on your interior glass gets worse with heat and turns night driving into a glare nightmare. Regular glass cleaner just pushes it around. Sprinkle a bit of plain cornstarch onto a slightly damp microfiber and wipe in firm circular motions across the windshield and windows. The mild abrasive action lifts and absorbs the oily film that comes from dashboard and vinyl outgassing. Wipe away residue with a clean, damp cloth and finish with a dry buff. A box of cornstarch is $2 and does the whole car repeatedly. This same technique works great on exterior glass for stubborn water spots and bug residue. It doesn't just clean. Hack number 9, shampoo to clean floor mats. Your floor mats are caked with months of tracked-in dirt, mud, and spills. Detail shops charge big for deep cleaning them as part of a package. Pull the mats out, hose them down, then squeeze on regular hair shampoo. Scrub thoroughly with a stiff brush, let it work into the fibers, then rinse until the water runs clear and hang them to dry. Shampoo's surfactants are nearly identical to professional carpet cleaners. While the mats are drying, vacuum the carpet underneath. That hidden area collects just as much debris as the mats themselves. You just did a true deep clean for the price of one squirt of shampoo. Before we move on to the hacks that make your car look factory fresh. Hack number 8, Coca-Cola to clean exhaust. Black, crusty exhaust tips ruin the rear appearance even after a good wash. Pour regular Coca-Cola directly onto and into the tips and let it sit for 5–10 minutes. The phosphoric acid and carbonation break down carbon and soot buildup. Scrub with a brush, wipe, and rinse. The crust comes off easily, revealing bright chrome or stainless underneath. Same chemistry as expensive exhaust cleaners, but for the cost of a soda. Finish with a quick polish and your tips will look brand new. Hack number 7, WD-40 to clean a dirty fuel cap. The fuel filler area is one of the dirtiest and most ignored spots on any vehicle. Spray WD-40 on the cap and inside the recess, let it dwell a minute, then scrub with a toothbrush. It dissolves fuel residue and grime on contact while protecting the rubber seal. While you're there, check the O-ring. A light coat of petroleum jelly keeps it supple and can prevent check engine light headaches down the road. Hack number 6, white vinegar to remove water spots on car paint. Those stubborn white rings from hard water or sprinklers etch into your paint and get worse over time. Mix equal parts white vinegar and distilled water in a spray bottle. Apply to the spots, let it sit 2–3 minutes, then wipe gently and rinse. The acetic acid dissolves mineral deposits that soap can't touch. Follow immediately with wax or sealant on those areas because the treatment temporarily removes existing protection. Prevention just got a lot easier. Hack number 5, magic eraser on door panels. Scuffs, shoe marks, and ingrained dirt on door panels and sills make the interior look worn. Dampen a magic eraser, not soaking, wring it out and wipe in circular motions. The melamine foam acts as a gentle microabrasive that lifts embedded marks no spray can dissolve. Detailers use these all the time, they just don't tell you. Use light pressure on glossy surfaces and you can be firmer on matte areas. A pack costs $4 and transforms your interior. Hack number 4, coconut oil on car interior. Faded, dry dashboards and plastics suck the life out of your cabin no matter what spray you use. Apply a tiny amount of coconut oil on a microfiber cloth and work it into all interior plastics and vinyl. Use sparingly, then buff thoroughly so there's no greasy residue, just deep, natural conditioning. Coconut oil replenishes what UV and heat strip away and offers mild UV protection. One jar lasts months and keeps your interior looking rich and new. Hack number 3, tire shine on exterior trim. Gray, chalky black plastic trim kills curb appeal fast. Apply tire shine spray or gel to a cloth and work it into all exterior black trim, bumpers, and handles. Let it penetrate a few minutes, then buff. The chemistry is almost identical to expensive trim restorers. Apply it while the surface is still slightly damp after washing for longer-lasting results and fewer reapplications. Hack number 2, dish soap on car seats. Fabric seats collect years of oil, sweat, and spills that make them look and smell old. Mix a tablespoon of dish soap with warm water, agitate into foam, and scrub with a stiff brush. The degreasing power pulls out embedded contaminants. Wipe with a damp cloth and repeat until clean. For tougher stains, add a splash of white vinegar. You now have a professional-grade upholstery system for under $3 total. Hack number 1: nail polish to restore paint. Small chips and stone dings are ticking time bombs for rust and expensive bodywork. Match a bottle of nail polish as closely as possible to your paint color. Apply thin layers with the brush, letting each dry fully. It fills the chip, seals out moisture, and blends almost invisibly from normal viewing distance. Nail polish and automotive touch-up are both lacquer-based and perform nearly identically. Catching chips early prevents rust from spreading underneath the paint and turning a 2-minute fix into a hundreds of dollars repair. How many of these were new to you? Drop a comment with your favorite or the one you're trying first. If these hacks are saving you time and money at the detail shop, smash subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm dropping more insider car care secrets that mechanics and detailers would rather keep quiet. Your car will look sharper, last longer, and cost you less to maintain. Check out the next video. You're going to wish you known these years ago. Thanks for watching. Now go make your car look incredible.